Good evening, everybody. Bobby, 2 pounds of breaks. It is Wednesday, April the 27th, and we're breaking Hits Parade autographed baseball jerseys. It's a 2-box break. These are the last 2 boxes we've got of this for today. It is boxes 29 and 72 for those of you keeping track. Random teams for this 2-box are on your right. Teams and customers have been randomized and alphabetized. We gave you all a chance to trade. Trades have been entered. Here we go, folks. Going to start with box 29. Just hoping for a little bit of a bounce back here. We had a rough night of pulls in the gold rush, unfortunately. Hoping maybe HP will grant us a little bit of redemption. Pop of your seal. Alright, here is our first box. Wow, shit, man. I pulled more than my fair fucking share of that guy out of these HP jerseys, too, man. That is going to be the Johnny Damon, folks. I mean, that's the third one of these fucking things I think I pulled, whether it's between the last series of HP jerseys or the Hall of Fame there, or the multi-sports. Seems like I'm pulling them from every damn product that we've gotten from them. But has the 04 World Series champ inscription, and at least a nice friggin' sig. Going to be a Boston hit, though. Who is Boston? Well, Bantam, not a monster, but a good, likable player. So I hit him last series, hit him this series. I hit him out of... I think it was the HOF and the multi-sport and Gold Rush even, man. Yeah, Jesus pulling the shit out of him. What, is he the new Tittle? Wow, man, been a rough night of pulls. We had a good night last night, man. Tonight been a bit damn rough there. Going to be at, Alright, box 72. Come on, Bubba. Please help us finish off the night on something nice. You treated us nice yesterday. Come on. Give us one more here. Make us feel good. Bam! Jesus Christ, man! Well, I pulled him last series too, but holy cow, how many friggin' Atlanta players, man, are in these damn products? I mean, good Lord. Going to be the David Justice Atlanta jersey, guys. Getting a bad player, man. It's just fuck. I think that's what the second or third of those I pulled too. Good Lord, man. Hitting on like I feel like I'm fucking on repeat or rewind here, man. Alright, Atlanta. Well, that is going to be a Josh hit. Well, Josh, sure you don't mind me pulling it there. But holy cow, man, I am pulling the shit out of these Atlanta players. I mean, every other fucking break, I'm pulling somebody from Atlanta. They're literally, that's back-to-back breaks. Pulled somebody. We had the Andrew Jones and the triple play last night, too. That is going to ramp up that two-boxer, guys. Well, I'm sorry we had a rough night of pulls there. Hopefully we can bounce back tomorrow, man. We are definitely due for a few nice hits in the triple play. We had a real nice box there last night. Also got some HOF coming in, so maybe we'll get a nice case there. So that is going to wrap up that two-boxer, though, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at 2 Pops Breaks.